back to Land Trains and More. This is gonna be my first story video based on the Montparnasse derailment. So I hope you enjoy. The video is gonna come in 3, 2, and 1. Montparnasse derailment. Wait, I need to stop. Driver applied the brakes. The west brake, air brake failed. We're not gonna stop in time. Oh no. Oh no! Look out! This is not gonna end very, very well. Oh no! Ah! At least no one is hurt. How's my brakes failed? That doesn't make any sense. The photo after the crash. This is based on a true story in 1895 in Montparnasse in Paris, France. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!